The Moen 9601 ChoiceFlo Water Filter delivers noticeably cleaner, fresher-tasting water straight from compatible Moen kitchen faucets without adding countertop clutter. It is engineered to reduce common tap water impurities and odors while allowing helpful minerals like fluoride to remain, which makes everyday drinking and cooking water more appealing. The filter has an impressively long service life, typically lasting about 6 months or roughly 750 gallons, so you are not constantly thinking about replacements. Installation and replacement are very user-friendly with an under-sink twist and lock design that does not require tools or shutting off the water supply. Moen includes a replacement battery for faucets that use an electronic filter life indicator, so you always know when it is time to swap in a new cartridge. As an authentic Moen part, backed by a limited lifetime warranty and tested for real-world durability, this filter feels like a reliable long-term solution rather than a disposable afterthought.